And this is the snow. It is starting. Okay, it's for you. Just got that on camera. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Taking us out in the snow. Well, Daddy is, because I'm not doing anything.
We'll put it on my YouTube. No, not YouTube. What is it?
Facebook?
We'll go like this. Anyway, snowing, everybody. Welcome to Connecticut. This is why I don't want to be here. Daryl, all you guys, this is for Daryl too. This is snow. So I don't want to be
oh my God, my face.
So we'll put a snow over here, Mike.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. It's still snowing. It's supposed to snow for like two more hours into my eyes, so I'm out. Bye, guys. So this is kind of ridiculous. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get to the damn car. So we shoveled this. We shoveled this so far. But yeah, his car, you can't even see it because it's so covered in snow. It's that one next to the one with the windshield wipers on. And then my car is all the way over there, and I really don't know how I'm gonna get over there. I'm sure not digging a path thing. I was trying to dig the car out. We dug a trail, but I mean, you just can't. So, look at this. Can you see this? This is ridiculous. The snow is up to my legs. It's almost up to my knees. Please look at this. Look at Daddy's car. Oh my God, I brought the snow tubes out and it's blowing away from me. Let's see if I can. I mean, this is a job. I just stepped on the. Oh my God, that was horrible. I dropped the camera. Oh my God, this is so crazy. Oh.